Hello, this is juror number 7. After listening to the information of the case set forth by both the plaintiff and the defense, I vote in favor of the plaintiff. The reasons for the decision are as follows. As the plaintiff stated, HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, is a privacy rule in which provides federal regulations for individually identifiable health information held by businesses and organizations that are to respect and protect the patient's privacy information. This places the burdens of compliance on the business or healthcare organization to ensure compliance with its detailed regulations and specific requirements for different situations. In this case, they failed to comply with all of the required elements to be in place prior to the plaintiff's information being disclosed. According to Elizabeth Litton's article in 2014, HIPAA regulations require disclosure under specific circumstances. The regulations specific to judicial and administrative procedures allow but does not mandate the disclosure. With that, the hospital does not necessarily have to provide information just because they receive a subpoena. The regulations are very specific about what must be provided before releasing the information in regards to a subpoena. Accompanying a subpoena must be a written statement setting forth the following. A good faith attempt was made to provide written notice to the patient, or if the patient's location is unknown, that a notice was mailed to the patient's last known address. The written notice contained sufficient information about the litigation to permit the patient to raise an objection. The time to raise an objection has elapsed, and no objections have been filed, and any objections have been resolved, according to Murphy in 2012. Since the hospital has failed to provide evidence that these requirements were met, and release the records without good faith attempt to notify the patients themselves, the hospital has failed to meet its obligation to the patient and HIPAA regulations. It is my opinion that the plaintiff has a valid case and should be ruled in favor of due to the failure of the hospital to follow federally mandated guidelines. Thank you and have a good day.